Faith is not proven in what you say. Faith is proven in the moment you finally step forward. Esther chapter 5 shows that moment. After fasting and preparing, Esther walks into the king's court without being summoned. Her life is on the line. The king extends his scepter and she is given a chance to speak. Instead of reacting in panic, she moves with wisdom and invites the king and Haman to a banquet. At the same time, Haman's pride keeps growing. He leaves feeling honor, but his anger towards Mordecai is still eating at him. Success on the outside cannot calm what's broken on the inside. Courage opens doors, but pride can blind you to what God is doing. And in Esther chapter 6, everything will begin to shift in a way no one expected. Follow me for more Daily Bible Truth.